Hey everybody, Hardtechticon is back with what I believe is the first actual true unboxing of 2025. So let's go ahead and get into it. Brand new BBTS box, as you can see, unopened, unscathed, shaking, got camera. And BBTS always likes to tape one side with a nice little opening in there. So you almost want to peek in, but you know what you ordered, come on. So let's get into it. Gonna open up the side. Got an armchair or chair arm in the way. Open up this side. Probably cut myself. That'd be fun. Come on, Hardtechticon, bleed on camera, bleed on camera. That's for another channel, okay? Y'all gonna have to go to my OnlyFans. Just kidding. I don't have one yet. Alright, so fun box. Nice variety. Of course, mostly Transformers. Mostly. Let's get the knife out of the way. Drop that on my foot, right? Alright. So, you might have seen me pull one of these out. You might not have, but first we have my fourth, the Ultimate Weapons Rack. Because these are modular, and they can make some pretty cool stuff. Right now I've been using them for, I've got my Toy Hacks, oh my god, I cannot think right now. Toy Hacks backdrops to the floor. I've been using these as kind of like a little extra texture. But they can do some really cool stuff, as you can see. And there you go. So there's that. Now, since it's on sale, ignore that. I picked up Point Blank with Peacemaker. I do want to get all the, dang, where's my brain today? Target Masters, the new style Target Masters. So yeah, and while I'm not digging the bot mode, I do love the vehicle mode. Now, in case y'all didn't know or haven't been part of the channel for a long time, for some weird twisted reason, I really dig the rescue bots, and ever since BotCon 2016, I've always wanted them to come out. Actually, before that, with generation style rescue bots. Well, looks like we got some damage. I'm pulling this guy out of the box soon, anyways. But we got Heat Wave, pretty much the leader, but also kind of the Raphael of the group. Really cool. He is a repaint retool of Bulkhead. So we'll see how that goes. Now we finally got Battle Trap. And man, that lighting is really messy. So, open box thing. Big Bad Toy Store got them and I didn't have the money for them. And then they got a new batch of them, was charging like $50, $55 for it. And I'm like, no, I'll just wait. And then they dropped it down to $45. And then they had a sale where he was $35, a regular Voyager price. And I'm like, yes. Because, I mean, Scourge is probably the coolest looking, but he is the second coolest looking of the villains from the newest movie, Rise of the Beast. Yeah. And finally, the thing I'm mostly excited about, Blokees. I started calling them Blokees for some reason. The Galaxy Defender version, which are the super chibi ones. This is Volume 1. I've got Volume 2 on pre-order, and hopefully I can get a hold of Volume 3. I am going to do an unboxing video of these. I'm super excited. They are so cute and so fun looking. And I've got some really great ideas for some future videos of them. So yeah, you'll be seeing that not too long after that. So yeah, there we go. 5 new toys for Hardtechticon's collection. And get ready. We're going to be having some weird videos coming up, man. Alright? So, see you next time!